Good morning, everyone. Hopefully, you are having an incredible day. Listen, real quick, because it is getting greater and greater and greater every day, guys. The people that are having major success with the common sense theory, and I can't explain to you how simple it is to get started, right? So you get started for $79.90, okay, which is super simple. That's going to give you 12 weeks of the product. That basically that $79.90 turns into $350 if you do the system correctly. All right. But in 2021, when it comes to the internet, that's what I want people to really understand. When it comes to the internet, there's so many different opportunities out there. There's so many different things that you can do, so many different products that sometimes it can be overwhelming picking the proper opportunity or picking the proper product. Okay. So one of the things that comes into play when it comes to picking something that's going to help you make income is, do the market want it? Okay. Does the market want it? And the way you're able to determine that is basically how people respond to it. Okay. How people respond to it. Now, based on the product or whatever it is that you're selling, you have to know what your profit margin is when you're selling. So one of the key secrets to common sense theory is the commissions that are made on our product. Okay. We've got product that's $20 that you're able to make $65 off of $20. We've got product that's $6 and you're able to make, an extra 25 on it. So one of the things that people have to pay really close attention to when they're promoting something is, how much money am I really making? And when we put the common sense theory together, that was one thing we wanted to pay attention to. We wanted to make sure that there was more money going to the person that was actually distributing the product versus the person who even created the product. Okay, which is something that you don't get a lot of when it comes to digital marketing. So it's kind of like, I was thinking about it yesterday. It's kind of like we're an affiliate marketing network marketing company. Okay. So when you get started, what we do is we give you your own brand. Okay. We give you your own brand. That was something that I knew from being in network marketing for 8 years. I always thought about the fact, and it happened to me multiple times, that I am building a customer base for someone else. And when you're building a customer base for someone else, well, what happens is that customer is going to stay loyal to whoever that else is that you're building it for. So for me, literally just trying to have genuine interest in everyone seeing success, not just, short term, but long term as well. We wanted to make sure that when you promote your product, that you were the superstar of your business. Okay. So one of the things in network marketing that's really popular, is your upline and using someone else's success story. So for me, one of the things was being able to let people be their own superstar and role model in their business. Okay. So if you look at all of our distributors, we've got over 12,000 of them, but every single one of them that are doing the business correctly, they are their own superstar of their business. There's no one who represents their Drink2Srink business like they do. Okay. And so everyone's success has it's got a stronger, for me, I think that it has a stronger meaning to it. I mean, it's cool when you can see your name on your stuff and people that you are, coming in contact with on the internet know you. All right. And so what we teach you how to do is, it's basically just like having a franchise. All right. We teach you how to get the customers. We teach you what to say. We teach you what to post, how you should do it in order to, make a lot of money. And all my common sense theory people that are on here, if you can, let people know how much money you've been making with the common sense theory, or leave a quick testimony while I'm live of how the common sense theory has changed your life. Guys, it only takes 7 to 14 days to make $100 a day with the common sense theory. 7 to 14 days. That's it. Okay. The average person that comes in here and follows the system, within 7 to 14 days, you're going to not only be in profit, but you're going to add an extra $36,000 a year to your income. You don't have to talk to your family and friends. And I've got people, for the most part, that have no interest in even recruiting people. Okay. And so that's one of the things that slow people down when they get started in opportunities, is that their income is based on if other people want to make money. And when your income is based on if other people want to make money, there's so many hurdles that you have to jump in order to create an organization of, people that are actually making you profitable, right? The bottom line is that 97% of people don't want to do anything. So if you're listening to this and you've been in network marketing and you're thinking, well, why is this any different than anything else that I've been doing? Well, the bottom line is your money is going to just be simply based on you now. It's not going to be based on if other people want to make income. All right. Now, is there a part for that? Absolutely. And are people killing it? And even me making more money than I've ever made in my life? Absolutely. But why is that? All right. The reason that is because people are making money. Now, when you're making money and you can show proof that this opportunity that you're selling to people works, and you're not lying, and you're not just showing them one of your highest checks, but you have a consistent income coming in. All right. Now, when you go and share the opportunity with someone, it makes sense for them to join you. The reason why it makes sense for them to join you, because you genuinely have somewhere to lead them. Okay. If you look in the comments right now, Natasha Brown says she's made over $100,000 since June 2nd of 2020. Now, if I got to do my network marketing a little better, because anybody else will really sell these stories, guys. She's a 6-figure earner in less than 6 months. Okay. In the common sense theory, a 6-figure earner in less than 6 months. All right. If you look at Sibyl, she said the first 10 days of January, she made over $1,000. Okay. If you look, Derica said, I made it easy $200, making easy $200 to $500 a day since she started last year. And Derica was one of those people that's followed me in different network marketing opportunities, and she can vouch that this is just totally different. And I think it's all the details that we put in place, besides just network marketing, to help people accumulate this success. All right. If you look at Contessa Woodward, okay, 100,000 in less than 6 months without recruiting. Now, guys, these people aren't working. All right. They're literally doing this business full time. Rosalind made over $230,000. All right. From January 1st to now, Contessa's already made over $7,000. Okay. Rhonda Scott, $75K from April to December. All right. Vicki Collins, $100K since June 9th of 2020. All right. So these are multiple 6-figure earners. Now, listen, I'm just promising you $100 a day, a simple $100 a day, without recruiting, without having to do meetings, without having to make a list, all those different things. I'm going to teach you how to be a digital marketer. All right. I'm at about 17 or something people right now out of the 100 people that I wanted to recruit for the next 30 days to get them to the $100 a day system. If you do not make $100 a day online, all right, you want to get started with this. One of the ways that you can, a lot of times when people make money on the internet, it's always a hit or miss, in the internet or offline, right? You make $100, then you don't make any money for like 2 days, 3 days, or 4 days. But with the common sense theory, it's a consistent $100 a day if you follow the 3-step system. And that's what we want to introduce you to. So if you're listening to this, I want you to send me a message. I'm going to show you a video, and then you can be the judge of if this makes sense for you or not. If you're watching this from one of my teammates' page, I want you to send them a message. All right. And they'll be able to really reach out to you and show you, the video, and if this makes sense to you. And if you look, Joy Dore made $4K since January 1st. Okay. Rhonda Scott made $1,650 since January 1st. I've never seen income stories like this. Okay. Like literally, I never have. And I'm just so excited. So listen, get back to the person who shared this video with you. If you're watching it from my page, message me. I'm telling you right now, the next run, the next round, the next 6 months is going to be absolutely incredible. And you have the opportunity to be on the forefront of it, guys. I appreciate you guys, and I'll talk to you later.